Today I will teach you how to make video puzzles. Open VideoAE because here I need to do 3 video puzzles. So I establish a 9:16 ratio and modify the appropriate value. Then click Resource to select the first video you want to make. You can use it just to change the position and size of the layer, just like a puzzle. You can zoom or rotate according to the effect you want. After adjustment, continue to add a second video. Adjust the appropriate position and size. Here I will speed up the processing. Continue to add a third video. Adjust the video position according to the layout, because there is a gap here. So I add a white layer to make the background look better. If you want to add more pictures, you can appropriately zoom other layers to leave space for adding new videos. Note that the layer duration of the video must be the same. How about it? Isn't this video puzzle very simple?